Hi students, so let us discuss COMEDK 2023 previous paper, and my analysis says that you compare to CET, COMEDK is not so easy. So tough questions are also there, time management is very much required, and if you know the formulae, proper formulae, it becomes very easy. So what you should do is, when I solve a question paper, on right hand side of the notebook, you draw a vertical line, all the concepts you must write. So let us start without wasting much time. To download the PDF, you have to join the WhatsApp channel. If you see this question, normally if it take a lot of time, but what is the concept behind that? Concept behind that is, so a to the power log BC is same as c to the power log base EA. If it is interchanged, the value is always same. So clearly indicates it is equal to 0. If you want to verify it is correct or not, take log both sides of log base E. So what we get? We get log base BC and log base EA is same as log base BA into log base EC. Correct? You change the base. So what we get? Log base EC by log base EB into log base EA, and you change log base EA by log base EB and log base EC. See, both are same. So rather than doing all those things, a to the power log base EC is equal to c to the power log base EA. So base must be same, interchanged. So please remember it. If you remember, hardly answer is 0. For example, for your convenience, I will take one example. 5 log base 7 3 is a 3 log base 7 5. Okay, both values are same. Tomorrow they will change the values and give it to you. So answer will be 0. So what is the concept? This is the concept. Right hand side of your notebook, please write down the concept. The slope of a tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus xy. Slope means, what is the concept? Slope is m equal to dy by dx. M is equal to dy by dx. That is the slope. This is the definition of slope. So what is dy by dx here? Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus product rule. Differentiation of x is 1 minus 1 x into dy by dx. Correct? Now you substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus dy by dx. So dy by dx will come this side. So 2 dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So we get dy by dx is equal to 3 by 4. Should not take more than a minute time. Okay, previous problem hardly 10 seconds. If you know the formula, that will save in this less than a half minute. Okay, m equal to dy by dx, slope is this one. Before we start this problem, your standard formula, limit x tending to 0 e to the power ax minus 1 by x is equal to a. That is the standard formula. E to the power ax minus 1 by x is equal to a. Same thing will apply here. So curly bracket is always a formula. 1 by 2 you take it out. E to the power ax minus 1 by x minus times e to the power bx minus 1 by x. So what we get here now? This is a minus b by 2. Less than 20 seconds. Okay, answer is a minus b by 2. Option B. Correct? So this is the concept. I'm always writing in a curly bracket concept, which you must write right hand side of your notebook. Question number 4. The point of intersection of two circles. The simple calculations. Subtract these two curves. When you subtract these two equations, we get x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 5, because 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Or what you'll get from this, x square is cancelled, 1 is cancelled, you get 2x minus plus 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 4. X equal to minus 5 by 4, which is equal to minus 1.25. Once you know you got the x value, substitute any of the equations to get the y value. Okay, so any equation whichever is convenient. So suppose I substitute in the first equation, minus 5 by 4 plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 4. So this will give you, minus 1 by 4 means 1 by 16 plus y square is equal to 4, or y square equal to 4 minus 1 by 16. 16 4s are 64, 64 minus 3 is 63. So y square is equal to 63 by 16, or y is equal to plus or minus 9, 7 9s are 63. So this is 3 root 7 by 4. Okay, so according to that, minus 1.25, option B will be correct. They have taken the positive value, right? So it's a simple question, point of intersection, solving it. There is no concept in this, simply subtract two equations, you get a required answer. Question number 5, approximate value. Before we do this one, the concept is dy is equal to f dash x into dx. Or in subbooks they write delta y is equal to f dash x into delta x. And the y value, capital Y is equal to y plus delta y. Okay, this is the concept. Now, here y value is, y is y, this is x value, this is what we want, x equal to this one is required. Okay, I'll erase this. So what is x here? X is equal to 5 and delta x, or we write delta x like this also. Some textbooks they write f dash x into delta x. Any symbol, all are same, delta y. All symbols are correct. This is y plus delta y. Any symbol, all symbols are correct. Tomorrow you should not confuse. So delta x is equal to how much? 0.001. 0.001. Substitute there. What is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 3x square minus 14x. So what is f dash 5 will put? F dash 5 will be how much? 5 plus 25, 25 into 3 will give you 75, minus 14 5s is equal to 70. This will give you 5. 14 5s, 70. You get f dash 5 is 5. So delta y. So what is delta y now? Delta y is 5. Delta x will be how much? 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 3 zeros. You got delta y value. So delta y value you substitute here. What is y value? Y value is nothing but f dash y. This delta y we got it. So delta y is nothing but f dash y is a 5. F dash y into delta x. That we did it already. 5 into delta x we did it. That is a delta we got. What is y value? Plain substitute x is equal to 5 here. So how much we get then? 5 cube minus 7 into 25 plus 10 plus 5 by 1000. Okay, further you all can solve. I think your answer will come option. Let me check that you must get option minus 39 minus 39.995. You get option A. Okay, minus 39.995 you'll get it. Substitution and all. This is 125. 125 minus 75 will give you how much? This is 175. Okay, plus 175 plus 10 plus 0.005. Okay, calculate it, you will get it. So minus 25, this is minus 50. Minus 50 plus 10 will give you minus 40, and minus 40 plus 0.005, you get minus 39 point this one. So what is the concept here? This is the concept. Please remember, dy is equal to f dash x dx, delta y is equal to, or any form they, you can know capital Y is y plus delta y. What is y? Straight away you put it. The circle cut intercept on x-axis. The diagram looks like this. Any circle cuts x-axis. This is A, this is B. So x-intercept is under root of g square minus c. This is x-intercept. For your information, y-intercept will be 2 into under root of f square minus c. This is the concept. I wrote x-intercept as well as y-intercept, but they asked only x-intercept. So what is the general equation of a circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This also comes under concept. Right hand side always write a concept. So what is the g value here? G value is equal to 3 by 2. What is f value? Minus 1 by 2. And what is the c value? C value is equal to. Students do mistake while taking the values only. G square 9 by 4 and c value is minus 2. So we get how much? 2 into 1 by 2, the value is 1. Option D is correct. Okay, option D is right. Next one. So these are the formulae. X-intercept is, tomorrow they can ask you y-intercept 2 under root of g square minus c, y-intercept 2 under root of x square minus c, under what circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is the general equation of a circle. Now let fx is equal to a plus x minus 4 to the power 4 by 9, the minimum value of f of x. It takes hardly 10 seconds. Why? As the x values increases, it's keep on increasing. Suppose you take x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a keep on increasing value. Obviously, you get minimum when x is equal to 4. We get f of 4 is equal to a. A will be the minimum value. Clearly indicates you don't have to solve anything. As x increases, okay, it is y. I write this question once again. A plus x minus 4 to the power 1 by 9 whole to the power 4. Always positive. So as x increases, you put x negative value or positive value. This value will keep on increasing. So minimum value will get minimum value of a positive numbers is 0. So when it will become 0 at x equal to 4. So minimum value is a. So there is no concept as such in this. See, this is the basic concept. When the function is said to be continuous, when left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function. So limit x tending to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tending to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. Then we say f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. I wrote the basic definition. So left of minus pi by 2. So limit x tending to minus pi by 2 minus left of minus pi by 2. It is equal to 2 sin x. This will be how much? Minus 2. Straight away you substitute it. Sin minus pi by 2. Sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. That also write the concept. Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x. Okay, this is the concept. So you got minus 2. Now you substitute here limit x tending to minus pi by 2 plus little more than minus pi by 2. This is a sin x plus b. See, it will take time. So that's why, so b sin pi by 2 is how much? Minus pi by 2, see b minus a. So b minus a is equal to minus 2. B minus a is equal to minus 2, we got it. Again, pi by 2. Limit x tending to pi by 2 plus a sin x plus b will give you a plus b, sin pi by 2 plus. Again, pi by 2 minus, sorry, because you are taking this one. Sorry for that. This is minus, less than pi by 2. Sorry. Okay. Next one, limit extending to pi by 2 plus cos x is equal to how much? 0. Pi by 2 plus cos x 0. Because cos pi by 2 is 0. So you got a plus b equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0 you got. B minus a is equal to minus 2 you got. Okay, add it. So we get 2b is equal to minus 2. So b equal to minus 1. So b equal to minus 1. B equal to minus 1. A equal to 1. So b equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 1. A equal to 1. Okay. Clear? Option D is correct. So what's the concept? Left hand limit. This is left hand limit, this is right hand limit. This is left hand limit, this is right hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. You get the required value. Okay. The concept is this one. So whenever I write curly bracket, this is the concepts. The value of limit. Before we proceed, I'll rearrange this question first. Limit extending to infinity, 1 by x tending to 0. This question will become 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 by x square, 1 minus 4 by x plus 2 by x square to the power 2x. So it is 1 to the power infinity form. Okay. So what is the concept? Limit extending to a f of x to the power g of x. F of x is tending to 1, g of x is tending to infinity, then we say it is 1 to the power infinity form. Whenever it is 1 to the power infinity form, we take limit e to the power limit extending to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. Please remember, this is all the concept. Whenever it is 1 to the power infinity form, we write limit e to the power limit extending to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. This is the concept. Okay. I wrote in a curly bracket, this is the concept. Concept is down, of course. This is a concept. Okay. Let us apply that concept. E to the power limit 1 by x tending to 0, 2x into, this is f of x minus 1. F of x minus 1, what happens? You get, if you subtract it, 2 plus x and will give you minus 1 by x square. Okay, 1 by x square divided by 1 minus 4 by x plus 2 by x square. 2 by x square. Perfect. I wrote directly f of x minus 1, that much you know. If you do minus 1, 1 and 1 will cancel. Minus minus become 4 by x square, minus 2x, and 2 by x square, 1 by x square. So if you open the bracket, you get e to the power 4. Rest everything will become 0, 0, 0, 0. E to the power 4 is the answer. Option B. Less than a minute you can easily do if you know the concept of it. This is called 1 to the power infinity form. Next, these two circles, okay, the point lies inside and the concept. S11 greater than 0, point P is x1, y1. Then we say point outside. Point is outside. If S11 equal to 0, point is on circle. If S11 is less than 0, point is inside circle. So what is the concept? S11 greater than 0, point is outside. S11 is equal to 0, point is on the circle. S1 less than 0, point is inside the circle. Just you have to substitute the values. This much you all can do it. I am not doing further because just you have to put the values, you will get the required answer. Number of n chosen, the problem is, there is a misprint is there and incomplete problem. I will read the problem here as, this is n belongs to S. N belongs to S. N belongs to S and they have given as 50, n plus 50 by n. N plus 50 by n is less than 27, is less than, greater than 27, sorry, is greater than 27. Greater than 27. Okay, n plus 50 by n is greater than 27. This is the set A. This is set A. Okay, you have to take the values from 1 to 26. So what happens? The S values will be, so very simple to understand, it value will be 26, 27, 28, all this thing will come. How it will solve? N square plus 50 minus 27n is greater than 0. Okay, so what are the factors now? N square minus, you have to do the factors, minus 27n plus 50 is greater than 0. Okay, n square minus 27n plus 50 is greater than 0. So in this case, what happens? N belongs to S. So n minus 25, n minus 2 will factors. N minus 25, n minus 2 is greater than 0. So whenever greater than 0, n is greater than 25, n is less than 2. Please remember, lot of students do mistake here. Right to the bigger number, left to smaller number. N is less than 1 means 1, next n is greater than 20, 26, 27, and so on up to 50. Up to 50. So how many terms will be there? There will be 26 terms will be there. How many will be there? 26 terms will be there. So probability will be, P of A will be 26 by total number of terms are 50. 26 by 50, that is P of A. Okay. Next P of B. So P of B, they are asking the prime numbers. So P of B is prime numbers. P prime numbers. Prime numbers, which is B. P of B. How many prime numbers will be there? You have to select the number of prime numbers. So number of prime numbers will be 15. What are prime numbers? 1 is not a prime number. Please remember, lot of students do 1 is a prime number. Prime number starts from 2, 2, 3 and all. You have to count. So number of prime numbers will be 15. So probability will be then 15 by 50. That is the probability. 15 by 50. Here itself I write 15 by 50 is the probability. What is C? C is nothing but square. What is written here? Square. Which are the square terms are given to you? You are given 1 square is 1, then 4 square, 4 will be there. How many squares will be there? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 up to 49. There are 7. So what is the P? P square, I am writing, is equal to 7 by 50. Now you all can easily check which option is correct. So what happens? PA is greater than PB is greater than PC. PA is greater than PB is greater than PC. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. So there was a Mr. Typographical error. So error is rectified now. There are, what is P of A? P of A, they are asking that n plus 50 by n is greater than 27. Solve the quadratic equation. Whenever greater than sign is there, right to the bigger number, left to smaller number. If it is less than sign, so n will lie between smaller number and bigger number. Please remember. Now what was the P of B? P of B is the prime numbers. There are 15 prime numbers are there. 15 by 50 will be there. And what is P of C? P of C is nothing but square of a number. 1, 4, after that 9, after that we spend 16, 16, 25, like that. How many are there? 7. So P of A is greater than P of B is greater than P of C. Feasible reason of the following inequalities. So see, you solve x plus y is greater than equal to 4. If you observe the option A, x plus 2y is greater than equal to 4. 0, 0, 0 is greater than 4. Wrong. So away the origin. This is away the origin. Clear? Similarly, 2x plus y is less than equal to 0. 0 is less than equal to 6. Perfectly right. Inside, 2x plus 5 must be towards the origin. Obviously, option A is correct. Question number 12, you get option A is correct. Very easy, just you observe and check. I repeat once again, 0, 0 you put it. 0 is greater than 4, wrong. Away the origin. This is away the origin. And put 0, 0, 0 is less than 6, yes, correct. Towards the origin. This is a shaded reason. Okay, remaining you got it. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Option is correct. So it takes hardly 10 seconds, but you must know the concept. If 0, 0 you have put, inequality is correct, then you have to include the origin. If 0, 0 you put, inequality is wrong, then you have to evade the origin. The maximum value 10x plus 16y subject to the condition x plus y is equal to 12, 2x plus y is equal to 20. You solve the point of intersection. X plus y is equal to 12, 2x plus y is equal to 20. Subtract it, you get minus x is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to 8. When x is equal to 8, what is y? Y is equal to 4. So you got 1 point, y is equal to 4. You got what point? 8 comma 4. 8 comma 4, 1 point, you already got it. Clear? That is the point of intersection. Okay. If you substitute, normally if you draw x plus y is equal to 12, so this x plus y is equal to 12, this point is 0 comma 12, this is 12 comma 0, sorry for inconvenience, this will be 12 comma 0, 12 comma 0, this is 0 comma 12. Again 2x plus y is equal to y is equal to 0, x equal to 10, x equal to 10, and if we put x is equal to 10, if you put x equal to 0, y is equal to 20. 20 is like this. Clear to you? So you substitute the values. Okay, what are the endpoints we are getting? This is the point you got how much? 10 comma 0, and this point you got it as if we put x equal to 0, 0 comma 20. 0 comma 20. Correct? You substitute the values. What we observe is 8 comma 4. 8 comma 4 is a maximum. You'll get it as you keep on substituting values 0, 0 you substitute, and you have to substitute 10 comma 0, you have to substitute 8 comma 4, and you substitute 0 comma 12. So you'll find that 0 comma 12 is the maximum. So feasible reason is this one. Okay, this point is 8 comma 4. 0 comma 12. So how many points are there? This is one point you have to put, this is another point you have to put, this point you put, and this point you put it. So what we get, 0 comma 12 is the highest you get. 240 is the answer. 192 will come answer, not 240. So answer will come 192 is the highest. So maximum value is 192. Okay, so how it comes? Z is equal to 16 into 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 12 6 12 6 is 72 2, 7 12 1s are 12, 192 is the highest one. Okay, this is the feasible reason of it. Now A inverse is there. So before we solve this one, we must know what is A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by det of A. Okay, what is det of A you get? Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so what is det of A? 4 2s are 8 minus 6, det of A is 2. So 1 by 2. Clear? 1 by 2 is the det of A. Now once we know the inverse, whenever we talk about inverse, what we do is, what we do in this case, inverse what we do, adjoint. Adjoint what happens? 4 2, this is adjoint you have to calculate. Adjoint will be what? A11, 4 will be there. Okay, A11 block this one, you get the 4. Okay, so an adjoint of A will be, adjoint of A will you get it as 4 comma, adjoint of A you will get it as 4 minus 3, and you get it as minus 2 and 2. How it works, I'll tell you. A11, you block it, you get A11 4. Next what? A12, first row and second column 3. A12, 1 plus 2 is an odd number, so negative, you get minus 3. Then what happens? Then you find A21, second row and first column 2, again negative, minus 2, and this one. Adjoint you got it, divided by 1 by 2. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by det of A. So this will give you how much? 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 and 1. Okay, so this will give you minus 2 minus 3 1. There is a mistake, let me check. So this will give 4 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 2, 4 comma minus 3. So adjoint of A is 4 comma minus 3. Okay, sorry. Adjoint you have to take the transpose of it. Transpose I forgot. We have to take the transpose of it. So adjoint of will be transpose of 8. So A11, A12, or you can write directly. What is the transpose? Transpose rows interchange to columns, column interchange to rows. This is first row, 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 2 divided by 1 by 2 will give you adjoint of A by det of A. This will give you how much? This will give you 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2, 1. Option B is correct. Okay, so I took you have to take the transpose of it. A11, A12, A21, A22. What is the important concept? Aij minus 1 to the power I plus j and Aij, whatever may be. Aij. Clear? So A12 and A21, you have to make it negative. Whenever A22 is there or A11 is there, it becomes even. Normally they ask 2 into 2 matrix only. So A into adjoint of A is 10 AI. Det of is saying the det of adjoint of A. Again, you must know the concept here. Det of adjoint A is det of A to the power n minus 1. So what is det of A? This is the concept, please remember. Okay, in our case, det of A to the power 4 minus 1 will give you det whole cube. Det whole cube. Clear to you? So they gave you det whole cube. Now what they gave us? They gave a det whole cube. Now what is det of A? What is det of A? Det of A is given as 10. A into adjoint A is det of A. Please remember, another concept is A into adjoint of A is equal to det of A. Det of A is equal to 10. So answer will be 1000. Answer will be 1000, adjoint of A. Okay, A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A is nothing but det of A, and det of A is equal to, det of A is nothing but is equal to 10 they gave you. So therefore 10 to whole cube will give you 1000. 16, it's a singular matrix. Singular matrix means the determinant must be 0. Singular matrix means determinant must be 0. So you may remember, if det of A is equal to 0, then we say it is a singular matrix. Which is singular matrix? Matrix A is a singular. Matrix A is singular. Okay. So what you'll get here? You get k square minus 1 is equal to 4 2s are 8. Okay. K square minus 1, that is k square minus 1 minus 8. So we get k square is equal to 9. So k equal to plus or minus 3. This also takes hardly any time because you can do within a less speculated time. Okay. So this was the question, plus or minus 3. Next one. 17. The angle between the vectors. You can use the cosine rule. What happens? A dot B. Concept is A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. Mod A mod B cos theta. So what is A dot B? I dot I is 1. This is the concept. This concept is given. So I dot I is 1 plus 2 2s are 4, and this is equal to minus 4. So we got this is A dot B. So A dot B we got it as 1. So 1 is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. What is mod A? Under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 into cos theta. So this will give you, this is 9, 3, 3 means 1 by 9 is equal to cos theta. So this will give you option D, cos inverse 1 by 9. Cos inverse 1 by 9. Write down please. The concept is A dot B is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. Whenever they ask angle between them, you use this formula. If they ask all answers are in sine, you can convert sine into cos by the help of a triangular method. How the triangular method? That also I'll tell you. Cos theta means base is 1, hypotenuse 9. This will be how much? 9 9s are 81 minus 1, which is equal to root 80. Clear? Next. If this vector and this vector A, B, C vectors are coplanar. Coplanar, what is the concept? Box ABC equal to 0. Box ABC is equal to 0. That is the concept. What is box ABC? A dot B cross C is equal to 0. Okay. Or what we do, determinant. Det what happens? 2 minus 3, 4, 1, 2, minus 1, m minus 1 and 2 is equal to 0. Okay. You have to open the determinant to get the value of k. So once you solve this determinant, you get m is equal to 8 by 5. M equal to 8 by 5. Okay, that much of calculation you can do. What is the concept? Box ABC equal to 0. What is box ABC? A dot B cross C is equal to 0, or determinant A vector A component, vector B component and vector C components. 19. The maximum value, this one same as the previous problem. The concept is same. You have to draw x plus y is less than equal to 5. So this is x plus 5. This is 5 comma 0. This is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. 0 0 is less than 5. Include the origin. Okay. Next is y is equal to 0. X equal to 3. X equal to 3. This one line. And when x equal to 0, y is equal to 9. This is the line. And this line is 0 0 less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0. Common area will be, these are the points. This 0 0, this 1 point, this is another point, and this is another point. This is also, 0 is less than equal to 9, perfectly correct. Here also 0 is less than equal to perfectly correct. So point of intersection you require. So x plus 5, y is equal to 5, and 3x plus y is equal to 9. Subtract it, you get 2x is equal to 4, x equal to 2. This becomes 2 comma 3. And this point is nothing but, this point is the second line. You put x, y equal to 0, this is 3 comma 0. Okay, 3 comma 0 is 1 point, 2 comma 3 another point, 0 comma 1 point, and this is 0 0. You substitute the values, whichever comes the maximum. I think you will get the maximum at 65. 65 you get at 0 comma 5. This is 0, 13 5 is a 65. So you get 0 comma 5, 65 is the highest value. You have to cut 0 0 will give you 0, 3 comma 0, 12 is a 36. If you put 0 comma 5, you get 65. 2 comma 3, this is 12 2s are 24. 3 3 is 39. 39 plus 24 is also less than 65. A vector is given, B vector is C given. Then the unit vector parallel to A plus B plus. What is the unit vector? N cap is equal to vector upon modulus of vector. Is called unit vector. Okay. So what you have to do? You A plus B. What will get A plus B? That is the concept. That is the concept. What is A plus B? A plus B vector will give you 2i plus I will give you 3i. Next minus j plus j minus k. Now you require A vector plus B vector minus C vector will give you how much? 3i minus k minus 5i plus j minus k. So what we get? Minus 2i plus j minus 2k. Clear? And modulus of this. Modulus of the 4 plus modulus of this will be 3. Okay, because 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So modulus is 3. So which option is correct? So 2i, minus 2i I am getting A plus B minus C. So 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2i will come. So the mistake. So minus 2i plus j minus 2k. Okay, I don't know what's the options they are given. So required vector is 1 by 3. It was minus 2i will come. A plus b minus 2i will come. Okay, this answer is correct. There might be a sign mistake. Clearly you can see now 2 plus I is 3. Okay, 3 minus 5i, obviously minus. X minus 2y plus 0 is parallel to this line. Okay, place, the place, not place, it is plane. It is plane, the plane. You know what is the concept? This is a plane. DRs of perpendicular are ABC. Any plane equation AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is given to you. What a CZ means what? ABC are normals to the plane. ABC are normals to the plane. Parallel to this. The plane of this parallel to this line. Parallel to this line. Plane is parallel to this, not this one. I erase this one. Okay, what they want to say? Parallel to this line. So what are the DRs given? 1, minus 2 and 1. 1 minus 2 and 1 multiplies perpendicular. So x minus 1, option B is correct. By seeing the observation, we get this is x minus 2, 2, 4 of 20 question number. This one will be, let me check what the options is given. Question is correct or not. Let me check. The question is option, what is it? Consider the equation. The plane containing, let me check the question is correct or not. Question is not given here. Plane is parallel to this line. Plane is parallel to this line. Okay, which line? We have to verify which line is there. So if we observe it, 4 into 1 minus 2 into 5 plus 6, okay, will give you 0. What concept we used? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. What is this? We are talking about a line which is parallel to the plane. So it must be perpendicular, na? So DRs of this is ABC or A1, B1, C1. These are nothing but A1, B1, C1. And the DRs of line is given as 4, 5 and 6. So 4 into 1 and 5 into minus 2 and 6 into 1. So we'll give you how much? 0. So this option is correct. Okay. So what is the concept? Concept is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 is equal to 0. What are A1, B1, C1? They are the DRs of the plane. And what is A2, B2, C2? DRs of the line. So A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 must be 0. So option A. So sometimes what happens in COMEDK like examination or any object verification is easy. Otherwise it will take long time. But you must remember the concept. There is a line parallel to the plane. So integration, you can see whenever this type of questions are given, we do 1 plus x equal to, concept is 1 plus x equal to t square. Why t square I took? 3 by 2 is there. So what is dx now? Dx is equal to 2t dt. So what is x now? X is t square minus 1. What is dx? 2t dt. Divided by how much? Divided by 1 by 2, you take it out. This is nothing but t cube. Okay, this 2 and this 2 will cancel. That's the reason they gave. So this question becomes 1 minus 1 by t square dt. 1 minus 1 by square t square. So this will become t plus 1 by t plus c. But what is t? T is nothing but root of 1 plus x. Root over 1 plus x plus 1 by root 1 plus x. You get how much? 1 plus x plus 1 by root over 1 plus x. Okay, so 2 plus option is correct. Option E is correct. 22. Let me check. 22. Option A is correct. X plus 2 by root 1 plus x. Option A is correct. Right? Next. This is the most important. Remove the rational part in the integral calculus. Whenever this type of 3 by 2 is given, 5 by 2 is given, 5 by 3 is given, then you put 1 plus x as t cube. 23. Standard question. This integral can be written as 4 to the power x log base e4. I multiply and divide log base e4 by under root of 1 minus 4 to the power x whole square. What is the concept? Integral dx by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. That's the concept. So a is a, here what happens, a is equal to 1. So 1 minus 4x to the whole square. 4x derivative is 4x log base e is given. So this will give you 1 by 4 log base e4 sine inverse 4 to the power x. So option C is correct. So that's the concept. Integral dx by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Minus 5 to plus 5 by 2. So again concept is minus a2 plus a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx when f of x is even function. F of x is even function. Okay. Otherwise it is 0 when f of x is odd function. That is a concept. So what we get now? 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. One more concept. 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx dx, okay, is equal to in. The formula is in equal to n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. Okay, these are the two concepts. Now it becomes very easy to solve. So 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we will get how much final answer? Pi by 2. Okay, what is I2? I2 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 into I0. I0 means what? It is nothing but dx. Integral of dx is x, pi by 2. So what is the concept? Whenever it is even function, 2 times 0 to f of x dx. Whenever it is odd function, it is 0. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. So a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. Before that, you rearrange. Lot of students do mistake here only. So x minus 1 by minus 1 equal to y minus 2 by 5 is equal to z minus 3 by minus a. Lot of students do mistake here. You observe and then do it. Is equal to y minus 4 by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 3. Now you apply. So minus 2, 5 4s are 20, minus 3a equal to 0, or 3a is equal to 18, a equal to 6. A equal to 6, option B. So what's the concept used? Concept used is a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. a1, b1, c1 are drs of one line, a2, b2, c2 are drs of another line. This line and this line intersect at a point. Okay, intersect at a point means equal to lambda you take. So x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 and y is equal to 3 lambda minus 1. Z is equal to 4 lambda plus 1. Correct? This one got 1 point. Again here we get x is equal to mu plus 3 and y is equal to 2 mu plus k and z is equal to mu. Z is equal to mu. Okay. So what we have to do is we equate z. So when we equate z, okay, what we get? 4 lambda plus 1 is equal to mu. Right? So what we substitute? Why we substitute? 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 2 mu plus k, and x also mu plus 3 is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. Okay, so mu value you substitute is. So 4 lambda plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. Whichever is convenient you try. So this will give you 2 lambda, 2 lambda. So 4 lambda, 2 lambda. This is 4, and this will give you how much? This is 2k they are asking, intersect at. Then 2k is equal to 2k value they are asking. So in this way you find the lambda. Mu, so this is 2 lambda. What is mu? Mu is nothing but, mu is not, what way I did it? Okay, when we get, so mu is equal to 4 lambda plus 1 plus 3 equal to 2 lambda. So this becomes 2 lambda and this is minus 3. 1 and 1 will cancel. So we got lambda is equal to minus 3. Lambda is equal to minus 3. What is the mu now? Mu is equal to mu is equal to minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Mu is equal to minus 5. So we require k value. So this will give you lambda value you substitute here and mu value you substitute here. You get your required answer to get the value of k. So how much we get mu? So this will give you minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 mu minus 10 plus k. So how much we get? This is minus 11 by 2 is equal to minus 10 plus k, or we get k is equal to 10 minus 11 by 2. This is equal to 20 minus, so k is equal to 20 minus 9 by 2. 2k is equal to 9. 9 is option is correct. 5-digit numbers are formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with no repetition. Probability the number 1 and 5 always comes together. 1 and 5 always comes together. See 5-digit numbers. So okay. So whenever the total number of possible 5 digits will be which 1 and 5 are always together is equal to 2 into 4 factorial. Okay, 2 into 4 factorial. Because if you take 1 and 5, you tie it up. It is 1. Remaining 3 numbers are there. So 3 numbers plus 1 will give you 4 numbers. 4 numbers can be arranged. 1 and 5 you tied it. And remaining are 2, 3, 4. So this is 3 plus 1, 4 factorial. Okay, 1, 5, 5, 1. So 2 possibilities are there, 2 into 4 factorial. Total arrangements are 5 factorials. So we get how much? 2 into 5. 2 by 5 is option is correct. 2 by 5 is option is correct. Okay, next one. Number n is chosen at random from 11 to 30, then the probability that n is neither divisible by 3 nor divisible by. So there is a mistake. Sorry. The question is divisible by 3 or 5. Correct it. The probability nor divisible by 5. There is a mistake. Typographical error. 3 nor 5. So that is a very simple question. I am leaving it to you. You have to remove all the which are not divisible by 3 or 5. Hence number which are divisible by either 3 or 5 are 12. Next comes a 15, 12 and 15. Like that you calculate it. 12, 15 will come, 18 will come, 18 will come, 21 will come. Okay, 20 will also come. Okay, 20 will also come, 19 won't come, 20 will come. Next 21 is already done, 22 no, 22, 23 no, 24 is divisible by 3, 24 will come, 25 yes 25 will come, 26 no, 27 yes 27 will come, 28 7 4s are 28 no, 28 with 29 also not there, 30 are there. So these are divisible by 3 or. So we require not divisible. So 1 minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 minus 9 by total numbers are how many given? 20. Okay. So you get how much? 11 by 20. Option C is correct. Why non-divisible question? So these are divisible by 3 or 5. Okay, so probability which are divisible by 3 or 5 is 9 by 20. So we are removing 1 minus non. Probability neither, Neith here, neither 3 nor 5. Next. So 3 vertices are chosen at random from the 9 vertices of regular sides of polygon. Probability that they form a vertices of isosceles triangle. A little tricky question. There are 9 are there. You have to take 3 at a time. So 9C3. Sample space is 9C3. Sample space is 9C3. That is because 9 points are given to you. Out of that you have to select the 3 points. 9C3. Now there comes isosceles. When we say isosceles, when 2 sides are equal to you. So that is a calculation. 9 when it is given. So number of isosceles triangles will be 9 into 9 minus 1 by 2. So we'll give you how much? 9 into 4. Total 36 will be there. Okay. So number of isosceles, because 9 vertices are there, that is fixed. That is fixed. Okay. How many vertices are there? 9 vertices are there. One vertex is fixed. Now selecting 2 vertices in such a way, both are equal. That is 9 minus 1 by 2 will come. So this will give you 9 minus 1, 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 36 will be there. Probability will be now 36 by 9C3. 36 by 9C3. So 36 by 9C3, you simplify it. So you get it as 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is the option. This much of calculation you have to do it. So ABC are mutually exclusive events of random experiment. P of B is equal to 3 by 2 of P of A. P of C is 1 by 2 of P of B. So P of A union C. We know that we know mutually exclusive means one is not depend upon other. Okay, mutually exclusive. P of A intersection B is 0. Please remember, mutually exclusive means P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Okay, there is no common, mutually exclusive. Okay, so what happens now? So we have to find, but once we know that P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. So what is P of A? So P of A, you keep it as P of A only. But what is P of B? P of B is 3 by 2 of P of A. What is P of C? P of C is nothing but 1 by 2 of P of B. So P of B is nothing but 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 of P of A is equal to 1. So P of A will be 1 plus 2, I will multiply 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1. This I can write as 4 by 4. We get how much? 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So P of A is equal to 4 by 13. We got P of A is equal to 4 by 13. Okay, once we got P of A equal to 4 by 13, you can find P of A, and P of A union C is equal to P of A into P of C. P of A union C is equal to, P of A plus P of C. P of A union C is equal to P of A plus P of C minus 0. That will be P of A intersection C is 0 because it is mutually exclusive. So P of A you calculate, P of A is 4 by 13. What is P of C? P of C is nothing but 1 by 2 of P of B. So first of all P of B. P of B will be 3 by 2 into 4 by. So 2 will cancel, will give you 6 by 13. That 6 by 13 you substitute here. When you substitute 6 by 13 becomes 3 by 13. So this becomes 3 by 13. So this will give you 3 by 13. 3 by 13. This will give you 7 by 13. Okay. So P of UA union C is, why it is 0? Because they are mutually exclusive. If it is mutually exclusive, P of A intersection C is 0. I hope you understood these 30 problems. Next section we'll do next 30 problems. But what I told you is that please keep on writing the concept on right hand side. Like this is the concept in this case. What is the concept? This is one concept. Other concept is P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1, because this is the one unit. So I hope you all have understood. So what you have to learn is that some problems you have to save time. That time is used like for integration or in the probability or in the planes 3D questions. Those are the places you can utilize the time. But there are some questions which you can do within 10 seconds. Okay. All the best. Thank you. We'll meet you again. Thank you.